Okay, last video. So I've shown you how to draw this pencil box, and basically it's finished now. I just need to, well, you need to submit it to me, but you want to make it look as good as possible. So let's try and add a little bit of realism to this. So we've got the whole bottom section is a group that is locked in place, and the lid section is now a group. So I can hit the move tool. If I click on the lid anywhere and notice where the red axis is, because that's the direction I want to move. I don't want to move it outside. So hopefully you remember the command that we can use so it locks to the red axis. It's the right arrow. So now let's do something like that. All right. Now I'm going to change my view so it looks pretty nice there. Zoom it in. Yeah, I'm happy with how that looks. Okay, so let's go over to our display, the little glasses over there. We don't need the axis anymore, so let's take the tick out of that so we don't see the axis. We can actually place shadows, so that adds a little bit of realism, and you can move, you can move those shadows around until you get to a place where you like the look of it. The fog, I don't really like that, but you're welcome to have a play with fog. I don't really understand what it's trying to achieve. I guess it just makes it look a bit different. Looks like we can change our background color. So you can do anything you like there. I'd like you to fiddle around, find something that looks good. The other thing, so that's in display. The other thing that you could look at is in styles. And assorted styles. And you can have a fiddle, and just have a look, see what you like. Oh, I've just gone into default styles. So there's all sorts of different things you can play with there. Change of view. It's up to you. You can get a bit creative with what you do here. Play around with these things, see what you like the look of. Oh yeah, check that out. So there's a whole host of things you could try in here. One more thing I will show you. Let's close those. Now, it's under components. Now we can search the 3D warehouse and let's look up a pencil. And I'm not sure how well this will work, but we should be able to download a pencil model and wherever that pencil is, it's not there. So I'm going to try another one. No, I don't understand what's happening. Maybe it's because of the style that I'm in. Look, anyway, I had to click. So trying to get that at 0 degrees. Yep. And, well, actually, this bottom edge wants to touch that surface. So if I do that, Control C, I should be able to Control V. Yeah, there it is. So I'll let you guys play with that. You can come up with something that you like, and you can share that. Share your pencil box to me. There is a way, and I haven't learned how to do it yet, but there is a way we could even add text to the side, like we would with the wood burner. That's maybe something you can explore and try. So I will save that. That should save in that folder, which of course is shared to me. So I should be able to see your work. Or you could export it as an image, which is the PNG one. And that's something else you can do as well. Anyway, I'd like you to have a bit of fun with that. I thought I got rid of my axis. Take the tick out. That looks a bit better. It's because I clicked a style that had an axis. Anyway, have some fun. See what you can do.